In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to witness on Docusign in just a few easy steps. Docusign is recognized as the leading platform for electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it an essential tool for anyone needing to handle documents remotely and securely. Let's dive right in and explore how you can effectively add yourself or someone as a witness using Docusign. First, you'll want to begin by going to the Docusign website. If you're feeling a bit lost, don't worry, this is just the starting point where you'll need to log in. So open your favorite web browser and type in the web address for Docusign, or simply click on the link if you already have it saved. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the login button right away. Go ahead and click on that. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up easily by following the prompts. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your Docusign home. This is your command center where you can manage all of your documents and signatures. Look around to familiarize yourself with the interface if it's your first time here. It's user-friendly and designed to make your tasks efficient. Next, you're going to click on the Start button. This is typically located on your home page and is your gateway to beginning a new envelope or document process. By clicking Start, you're telling Docusign that you wish to initiate a new task, whether it's sending, signing, or in our case, witnessing a document. The next step involves adding your recipient. On the Docusign dashboard, you will find the option Add Recipient. Click on this. Now this step is crucial because it ensures that the right individuals are included in the document process. You'll need to enter the email address of the person for whom you're setting up the document. Remember, if you're the one acting as a witness, you'll need to include your information here too. This adds an extra layer of authentication and keeps everything transparent and secure. And there you have it. After following these steps, you've successfully navigated the basic setup for witnessing a document on Docusign. Remember, each part of this process is designed to make your document flow smooth and legally compliant. If you encounter any issues, Docusign's Help Center is a great resource for getting additional support, offering a variety of tutorials and FAQs. Thanks to Docusign, managing and witnessing documents has never been easier, allowing you to handle agreements with confidence from anywhere. Stay tuned for more tutorials and happy signing!